Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download GIMP in your computer in a very simple way. What you're going to do, you just simply go for your Chrome browser or any of your favorite browser, and here you're going to type GIMP and then click enter. After that, you will get this website called www.gimp.org. So we're going to click on this website over here. And then here you will get the download option over here. So if you click on the download 2.10.23, so here you can see there is three different options. One is download GIMP 2.10.38 via BitTorrent and Microsoft Store. Also you can download it from directly. So we're going to click on direct to download. And you can see the download has been started and it is about 323 MB. So for that, you just need to keep patience. And you can see the download is completed. And now if you click on it 2 times to install and minimize the browser and wait for a little bit, you can see the install mode or install interface will be shows up over here. And you can see there is an option called install for all users and it's recommended. So we're going to click on that. Then there will be a permission. Click yes. Select English for the selecting language. If you have different types of styles to set the language, then you can simply do it. But I'm going to click English and then click OK. And then I'm going to click on install. After that, you can see the extracting files or it's installing. So for that, it will take some more minutes to complete that. For that, keep patience. And you can see that the file has been extracted. And now if you click on finish, and then if you convert into the search option, or you can simply get the GIMP icon over here. So we're going to open it. So is getting started into our computer. It's a photo editing software. You can simply edit pictures and you can simply customize them, edit them. You can do a lot of stuff with the photo. So you can see that it's now querying new plugins to run this program or run this software. So as you can see that the GNU image manipulation program or the GIMP is download and installed into a computer. If you want to know how to use GIMP, then leave a comment into the comment section and I will try to make another video about the GIMP into our YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.